I made $744 by driving free traffic from this website.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made $744 of profit on Teespring. And I also use this method to promote my Redbubble store as well. So today I'm going to show you how to find inspiration for your designs. I'm going to show you how to make these designs. It's really easy. You can make these designs in just 5 minutes, even if you're an absolute beginner. And also I'm going to show you how to promote your t-shirts, your hoodies, hats, mugs, stickers, or whatever you are promoting. And also I'm going to give you some tips and advices, so make sure to watch the entire video very carefully. So with that being said, let me just jump on my computer and we are going to begin.
Okay guys, I'm here on my Teespring account, and as you can see I made $744 of profit. So let me just refresh this page. Okay, my internet is a bit slow today. As you can see, I got 92 orders and I actually made 121 sales, and 2 are cancelled, and like I said, from those 123 sales I made $744 of total profit, and I actually did all of that by driving free traffic. And I actually applied this method on Redbubble as well, and as you can see I made quite a lot of sales on Redbubble as well. And as you can see I mostly sell stickers on Redbubble. But you can actually apply this method on anything that you want. You can apply it on t-shirts, on mugs, on stickers, or whatever you want. Okay, website that we are going to use to drive free traffic, people use to share funny videos, funny photos, funny GIFs, funny memes, and funny stuff in general. So first thing we need to do, we need to find inspiration for our t-shirt. And because we are talking about funny stuff, you can use, for example, 9gag to find funny memes. And also these guys here on 9gag, they also make funny memes on trending topics, which is also good for print on demand. You can also use iFunny, you can use meme pages, meme Instagram pages, but I personally prefer Pinterest. So here in search bar I will simply type funny, and Pinterest will give me lots of funny quotes, funny photos, memes, funny t-shirts that I can use as an inspiration for my t-shirt. This one here, for example. Dear teacher, I talk to everyone, so moving my seat won't help. This is actually a funny t-shirt. I may redesign this t-shirt and use it myself. And you can scroll here to see more memes, to see more funny photos and images that you can actually use as an inspiration for your own t-shirt. Or you can simply click here on quotes and get funny quotes that you can also use as an inspiration for your t-shirt. This one here, for example, I wish everything was as easy as getting fat, and then this fat panda. So this is actually a funny quote that you can easily convert in a funny t-shirt, and I believe people will buy this t-shirt because of this panda and this quote here. And you can, like I said, scroll here to see more funny quotes, more funny images that you can use as an inspiration for your own t-shirt. For example, this quote here, before I agree to 2021, I need to see some terms and conditions. Now, it is October 1st now, so you can actually say before I agree to 2022, I need to see some terms and conditions. So this can be a funny t-shirt, and also this can be a trendy t-shirt. So let's just click on this to make it larger. So what you need to do, right click here and then save image as, and save it to your desktop. And then you need to go on the website called onlineocr.net, and you need to scroll here, you need to click on select file and find the image that we just downloaded. This is the image, and then click here convert. Give it a second, and as you can see it converted automatically text from this photo into text that you can actually highlight and copy. And now you need to make a design from this text. So for that, you can go on Canva, and you can even use a free version of Canva. Click here on custom design, and I will choose 5000 by 5000 pixels. By default, background is white, but I actually wish to use a white letters, so I will change the color of the background. So just click here and then click here, and I will actually not choose black color, and you will see later why I will not choose black color. So you just choose this gray color here, and now I need to make text. So just click here on text, and I need to choose one of these text styles. So let me just choose, okay, I will just choose this one here, for example. Okay, and I will make it larger, and I will delete this, and I will delete this, and I will paste my text. Okay, I will make this wider like this, and I will make it larger. Okay, so let me just move it here, and I will make it center like this. Before I agree to, okay, I need to actually make this or something like this. Just, okay, something like this. And I will actually change the spacing between the lines like this. Okay. And I will do something like this. So let me just close this like this, as you can see here. So let me just enlarge this image. You see everyone here how it's done. So I will actually do exactly the same thing. So I will go back on Canva. So what I need to do, I actually need to change the color of this text here, of this line here. So I will highlight this and I will make it black. So just click here on A and then black color. Okay, it's now black. So next thing I need to do, I need to click here on elements and I will choose square and I will make it like this, okay, and like this, and I will make it wider like this and like this, and I will actually make this a white color. So I will just click here on white, and as you can see it's now same as on this photo here, on this t-shirt here. It's exactly the same as you can see here. I mean, its letter style is different, but it is the same design. So you see how easy it is to design these t-shirts. I designed this in less than 3 minutes. It's that simple. So next thing you need to do, you need to remove background. Now, if you use a pro version of Canva, then you can remove background directly here on Canva. But I'm guessing that most of you use a free version of Canva, so you cannot do that on Canva. So you need to find a different solution. So what you need to do is, you need to click here on download, and you need to download this as a PNG file. So click here on download and then click here OK, and you saved that on your desktop. So to remove background of your design, you can use GIMP. GIMP is basically a free version of Photoshop, and it is really easy to remove background, and I will show you how to do that. So first thing you need to do, you need to click on this tool here, select by color, and then click on the background, okay? As you can see, it's selected now. So what you need to do next is click here on layer and then transparency and then click on add alpha channel. Now I already did that. So what I need to do next is just press delete on your keyboard. Give it a second and then just click here on select and none. As you can see, it removed the background in just 1 second. It's that simple, it's that easy, it's that fast. And what you need to do next is you need to save this design on your desktop. Now this is really important. It is a bit different on GIMP. So pay close attention. What you need to do is you need to click on File and then click on Export As. Now that is really important. Do not click on Save As. You must click on Export As and choose the name of the file. So let's say 2022, okay? And then click on Export. Give it a second and then click here on export and that's it. It will export this design with the removed background on your desktop. So next thing you need to do, you need to upload this design on Teespring, on Redbubble, on Printful, or whatever print-on-demand company you use. Now I will not show you how to upload these designs because it is really simple to do and it is a straightforward process. Like I said, even if you are absolute beginner, you will know how to upload these designs on these websites, on these print-on-demand companies. After you upload that design, you need to start promoting that t-shirt, that mug, that hat, that sticker or whatever you are promoting. And let me first show you potential of the website that we are going to use. When we go on SimilarWeb, we will see that this website got 259 million visits last month. And when we scroll here, we will see that about 60% of their traffic is coming from highly developed countries: United States, Japan, United Kingdom, Canada, and Germany. So website that we're going to use is called Imgur. So obviously first thing you need to do, you need to sign up. So here in upper right corner, click on sign up, and registration is free. And you need to add your username, your email, your password, retype your password, and you actually need to confirm your phone number. That is really important. And after that, just click here on next, and that's it. You will register on Imgur. And after you register, you will come to this page here. So let's just search for t-shirt to see the potential. So here I will just type t-shirt and click search just to see potential of this niche. So let me just click on this first one here, for example. I will just click on it. And as you can see, this t-shirt was published on November 3rd last year, so that was 11 months ago. And 86,000 people, almost 87,000 people saw this post. Now imagine the potential, 87,000 people saw this t-shirt, and imagine how many t-shirts you can actually sell, and it's all for free. You don't have to invest any money. So to publish your own t-shirt, here in upper left corner, click on new post. And then you can click here on choose photo video to choose photo from your desktop. Now I already prepared photo of one t-shirt, and actually it is not the t-shirt that I designed in this video. So we just click here to find that image, and this is the t-shirt. Give it a second, and this is the t-shirt that I found. Now this is important tip for you. If you can get a photo of that t-shirt, photo that you made with your own phone, doesn't matter if you are promoting t-shirt, mugs, stickers, or vacuum cleaners, or whatever you are promoting. If you can make a photo with your own phone, use that photo to promote that product. Trust me, it will make a huge difference in number of sales. You will make much more sales if you actually make a photo or a video of that product that you are promoting. So with that being said, first thing you need to do, you need to add a catchy title, and that title should contain your main keyword, and in this case it is a t-shirt. So I can say something like this: big deal t-shirt. As you can see here, not to brag, but I'm kind of a big deal to my dog. So this is a dog related t-shirt, and like I said, my main keyword in this case is t-shirt. But you can also add a dog in the title, because you can actually target those two keywords, dog and t-shirt. And now you need to add a description. Just click here on description. So I can say something like this, okay? And I added a link. Now there are actually two ways to promote your t-shirts on Imgur. First way is you can add a link just like this. But if you are going to add a link, I suggest to use a custom domain. Do not use URL shorteners, do not use subdomains, use a domain, a custom domain. But even then, there is a big chance that Imgur will actually break your link. So what you need to say something like this, without spaces. So let me just press enter, and I will just click here backspace, and so you need to say something like this, without spaces, and then add your link. Now that is the first way. Second way is to actually delete this and say, if you wish to buy this t-shirt, leave a comment below or something like that. And when they leave a comment below saying I wish to buy this t-shirt, for example, then you can contact that person. Now I will actually show you how to do that in a minute, but first let's publish this t-shirt. So what you need to do, you need to click here on tags. You need to add tags. I mean, you don't need to add tags, but I would suggest to add tags. You can type tags, something like this, for funny, for example, or you can simply click here and then you can choose one of these tags, or like I said, you can type tags. And after you add tags, just click here to community, post publicly, and that's it. You will publish this t-shirt, this post, and then just click here on exit, and that's it. This is your post, this is your t-shirt. So like I said, let me just show you how to contact people who actually made a comment saying that they wish to buy the t-shirt. So let me just go on Imgur here, and let's just click on the first one here, for example. And when I scroll here on the comments, give it a second to upload comments, and I can simply click here, for example, on the name of that person, and then click here on chat. And Give it a second, and now I can actually send a message to this person and send them a link to my store where they can buy that t-shirt. And if your t-shirt goes viral like the one that I showed you in this video that got 87,000 views, you can literally make hundreds of sales totally free. And this is another tip for you: make posts regularly, be consistent. Make posts every day, funny posts, memes, videos, GIFs. Doesn't have to be t-shirts, just make posts every day. And trust me, your t-shirts will start going viral and you will start making sales by driving free traffic to your print-on-demand store from Imgur. So this is how you drive free traffic to your print-on-demand store.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.